Hey, what's going on? This is Gear Duran. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Wacom One.
Alright, so just got this bad boy in the mail. Let's open her up and check it out. Yeah, I love popping those things. Nice. Super nice. The surface of this thing is excellent. With natural surface friction and minimal reflection, it feels like you're drawing on writing on paper and definitely not glass. With the Wacom One pen, this thing sports 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, not to mention tilt recognition. This tablet is perfect for those who are seasoned professionals, or if you're a student on a tight budget and looking to get into the tablet display monitor experience.
Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for checking out this video. We're going to be making a lot of new content soon, so stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one. Peace.